welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nova, period. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. And if you're new, welcome to the Nova gang. As you can tell from the title of this video, what am I coming to y'all with? Another freaking hair review, period. So your girl, I'm on a roll, okay? I am on a roll. So your girl is going to be working with Unice hair. Look at the box. Get into it. Get into it. Like we do in any other video, let's hop right into this video. So yes, like I said, as you can tell from the title of this video, I had partnered up with Unice hair to promote one of their beautiful, beautiful units. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the specs and deets on this hair. So far, how do y'all like this wig series? This affordable wig series. Like, I swear I've been, just from the beginning when I just posted one of my wigs that I did get from Unice, I did purchase that one on my own. And then from there, I just been skyrocketing. So I am definitely very grateful that they reached out to me to provide me one of their units to review. So I didn't open up this box because I just wanted to experience this with you all. And I'm super excited. So you open it like this. And what do we have here? Ooh, so we have the units, period. And let's look and see what they provided your girl. They gave me a blue headband. This is super cute. Oh, is this a charm bracelet? Wait, let me see. If this is a charm bracelet, I'm wearing this throughout the video. Oh, so I have a small wrist, but y'all, thank you Unice for the charm bracelet. It's so pretty. The next thing that they gave me was a wig cap. You know your girl be needing these, so I'm gonna add it to the collection of wig caps. And if you did not see my last video, I had a review and they gave me two. So yeah, they provided your girl with an 18-inch wig in the color burgundy. You know, I always keep the bag just to put it back in. And I have my handy dandy mannequin head just in case I had to do any plucking and anything in that nature. So yes, quick thing, get into the beat, period, real festive. All right, so this is a T-part lace closure wig. And I've heard that there's like a shortage, like a lace shortage going on. So they've been doing a lot of T-part wigs, which is fine with me because a wig is a wig, honey. Paper in the inside. And let's go ahead and get into it. Ooh, honey. So this looks like it is, what is it, what they explained it as? This is like the silk-based fake scalp. So this is the parts of the wig. And this is the inside construction. So let's go ahead and get into it. So again, like I said, it's a silk base. Yes, and it has a lace on the front. And then we have the lace on the bottom as well. And then the construction of the wig. As you can see, the regular with the 3 combs. One on the bottom and then the adjustable straps. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. I went ahead and just put it on. I did leave the lace in the front, which y'all can barely see. So this is my scalp, this is the lace. Yes, okay. So first things first, the texture of this wig, it is definitely, I love it. It feels very soft, it's very full as well, and I love it. This color is very beautiful. This is definitely a really pretty color. I love how, you know, they're sending me this wig and it's, you know, Christmas time. It's giving me very much Ariel. It's giving me very much Ariel vibes. So let me go ahead and bring this down just a tad bit. So before we do anything as far as customization, we're going to go ahead and get into the specs of this wig. So again, this is from Unice hair. It is a 10A straight burgundy T-part lace closure wig. This wig is again in the color 99J, and this is 18 inches. So yes, This wig does, like I said again, have a silk base closure. So basically flush-like, but I know I'm gonna have to go in and just pluck just a tad bit. Nothing too much to the point where it's overwhelming. Definitely bougie on a budget. And I just want to thank Unice for sending me this unit. But now we're gonna go into the customization of this wig. So yeah, let's go. All right, you guys, so this is the wig styled, and I know some of the curls have already fell, but it's all good. This hair is so beautiful, so full. It did not take a lot for me to curl this hair either. It really just, it took well to my wand curler. So yes, this is what it's given. This is what it's given. I'm rating this wig a 10 out of 10. Get into it. Okay. So yes, thank you again, Unice Hair, for sending me this unit. I love it so much. This is a perfect Christmas wig, okay? This is a perfect party wig. This wig is very full, it's voluptuous, the curls are popping, like everything about this wig. Hit up the description, okay? Hit up the description. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, please just let me know in the comments. If there's a certain, company that you want me to work with next, or try to collaborate with, or just, review their units, please let me know as well. Follow me on all my social media outlets down in the description down below. Okay. And yeah, honey, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm giving y'all very much Ariel. Okay, I'm giving you a little mermaid. Okay, hold up, get right with you. I'm gonna get right with you. So yes, I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all, peace.